What if Earth isn't just a rock with life sprinkled on top? What if the planet itself thinks? Scientists are now exploring a bold idea, planetary intelligence, a theory that could change how we see not just our world, but life across the universe. Beneath your feet, an invisible internet is already at work. Fungal networks, nicknamed the Wood Wide Web, connect trees and plants across entire forests. They share food, warn each other of danger, balance ecosystems like a living neural net. It's not science fiction, it's biology. Think of Pandora's Iwa in Avatar, except this isn't a fantasy. It's real science happening right now on Earth. Could this be Earth's prototype brain? Could this be Earth's prototype brain? And then there's us, humanity. We might be Earth's cerebral cortex, the higher brain. We've reshaped climate, oceans and skies. Yet we struggle to make decisions in Earth's best interest. As researcher Adam Frank puts it, we don't yet have the ability to communally respond in the best interest of the planet. Are we Earth's consciousness or its most dangerous glitch? Are we Earth's consciousness or its most dangerous glitch? In the Expanse, humans colonize space before mastering their home. It's the same warning: intelligence without wisdom is chaos. We can become the awakened cortex if we choose foresight over short-term gain. We can become the awakened cortex if we choose foresight over short-term gain, or we can remain the glitch. This isn't just about us. The idea of planetary intelligence may change how we search for aliens. Instead of listening for radio signals, scientists ask, what if advanced civilizations don't shout into space? What if they merge with their planets, biosphere and technology woven together into a self-regulating intelligent whole? That would be visible not as cities, but as planetary balance. In Annihilation, alien intelligence isn't a spaceship. It's an ecosystem that rewrites biology itself. Maybe that's not just fiction. If this is true, then Earth may already be intelligent. But the question is, are we part of its mind, or a disease inside it? We can keep burning, consuming, fragmenting. Or we can evolve into the awakened cortex, guiding the planet with foresight instead of short-term gain. Planetary intelligence isn't automatic, it's a choice, a test. And right now, Earth is waiting for our answer. So maybe Earth is already alive, already thinking. The only mystery left is whether humanity will learn to listen, or whether we'll silence the voice of a planet trying to survive. What do you think, BrainRootX family? Is Earth just a rock with life or a mind with us inside it? Drop your take below, and let's find out together if we're neurons or noise. Drop your take below, and let's find out together if we're neurons or noise. If you like this exploration, subscribe for more. Join the conversation. Stay curious.